Hey folks, this is Raul here at Worldwide RV, the Jayco dealership here in Mesa, Arizona. And today I want to present you one of our pre-owned fifth wheels that we have. This is a 2021 Cedar Creek Champagne 38 EL. Let's take a look. This 38 feet unit, it's loaded with all sorts of really nice features. Starting from the front, it's got a air ride hitch. It also has the cameras to the side, above the door, and at the back. Will come with a screen that goes into your truck, Bluetooth screen, so you can see all around you. This unit also has two 30-pound propane tanks, so 60 pounds of propane in all. Huge storage area. Here you can see you can empty the vacuum. And as we move along, it's got a pressure washer, really nice steps that flip inside, 6-point hydraulic leveling, 16-ply tires, outside TV, fiberglass end cap. Here we are in the interior of the 38 EL, and you can see very spacious and beautiful layout. You have the electrical heater seating. Okay, you also have a couch that turns into a bed. Big TV, electrical heater, DVD player, MCD shades, day and night shades. Here in the kitchen, you're going to notice you have the big oven with 4 burners and a big microwave, LG microwave. This also comes with a dishwasher. This saves a lot of the water. There's a lot less water to clean dishes that you would otherwise clean by hand. Good storage. This unit also has the propane electric fridge. More countertop for the coffee machine, and more storage up here as well. This unit also has whisper quiet ACs, which I can tell you they're very quiet. Let's check out the bathroom. This unit is equipped with AquaGo on-demand hot water, porcelain toilet, and a very good vanity. Good space for your towels, and also a very spacious shower. Whisper quiet ACs in the bedroom as well, and a king-size bed with a very nice mattress. You also have a walk-in closet, which is set up for a stackable washer dryer if you like to add one. Another nice upgrade to this unit is the Wi-Fi, the King Wi-Fi system. Again, this is Raul at Worldwide RV, the Jayco dealership here in Mesa, Arizona. If you'd like to see this beautiful unit and many others like it that we have here, please stop by.